one thing that we do differently is we look at the total person. There are so many ways that the bad guy wants to make us into a victim. Now, we take care of the physical, absolutely, but that is only about a quarter of what we do. Back when all this started, I was teaching self-defense based on jiu-jitsu. And then one day, my daughter comes home, she's upset. Someone is bullying her on social media. I did not know a takedown for that. Turns out, the schools don't have good solutions either. If they did, it would stop. That was when we developed Easy Street. These are real-life, street-proven skills for when the bad guy comes at you, but it's not physical. The physical skills, they are there, but now they are backup. Easy Street is like a bunch more tools for your toolbox, and now you can handle anything. Check us out, Elevation650.com. See you there.